Primeiro-ministro Russo Telkomsel serviço remoto com o governo pode contribuir para o desenvolvimento nacional. E a Cimeira Internacional Telkomsel com a tecnologia, nebe realiza e a sala multiuso GMN, primeiro-ministro Karala Sanana Gusmão, agradece a Telkomsel, também saiona parceiro governo durante Tinambarak.
We need them. The country needs them to contribute in what they can, in what they have in their minds, in what they have in their talents. People and country demand to them to use all of this talent, capability to push the development of the country. We are a new country facing many challenges. But mostly, if we can connect each other, we can build peace as the basis for development.
Embaixador Indonésia e Timor-Leste, Octodorinus Manik Russo Telkomsel, atu continua a melhorar serviço, por atendimento nebe diag ba cliente será.
Is particularly special as we mark Telkomsel 30th anniversary, a milestone that represents not just years of operation, but a journey of unwavering commitment, resilience, and services to the people of Timor-Leste. Since its establishment, Telkomsel has been more than just a telecommunication provider. It has been a driving force in national development, continuously pushing boundaries to bring cutting-edge digital solutions to the people of Timor-Leste.
E a ocasião nemos, Telkomsel hili Kaiolo Gusmão, saianesa embaixador Telkomsel, no da parceiro da nebe hakara atu capacita Zovencira, promove empreendedorismo no impulsiona transformação digital e a Timor-Leste. Equipa cobertura GMN.